This day is going well for someone as socially awkward as you.
It's not bad.
This is
right?
Lawrence. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, you look really cute.
Oh my gosh! And your name?
Are you on vacation or you
I
live?
know we live here. Alright.
We'll connect. Nice to meet you. Muy guapo.
Okay, Lawrence. So, how was today?
Today was very eye-opening. Yeah, I'm Lawrence. I am 49 years old. I live in Orlando, Florida, and I work in finance. I want to just release these shackles that I feel have been around me for a long time with just being scared to talk to strangers, a little bit of lack of self-confidence since my divorce. I got divorced in 2017, so I was with my wife for 16 years. No kids. Okay. There's always that fear of being out in public, being ridiculed if you say something wrong or somebody gives you the wrong reaction. There are people watching you, being like, "Oh, why is this person talking to me? He's gross." And there's always that going on in the back of my mind. I almost canceled though.
You almost canceled?
I was 3 days ago. I had written out the email to you. And I was like, "Sorry, I'm not going to be able to make it."
No way.
I swear to God. And then I canceled it. I booked a place to stay. And I came. That's true.
Okay, nice. Okay, let's see then.
Hey, how are you? Just wanted to say hi. I like your dog. I think it's awesome. Can I say hi?
Yeah, of course.
What are you up to today? What are you doing? Just browsing around the market?
Yeah.
Okay, you have an interesting accent. Let me guess. I don't want to say the wrong thing, but I'm thinking maybe Vietnamese?
No, I'm Japanese.
Japanese? I'm sorry. I was like, oh, okay, you're from Mount Fuji.
Oh, yeah.
And, are you on vacation or you live
I know we live here.
Oh, you live here? You and Rosie? Are you going to go back to Japan?
I miss Japan.
Are you going to find an American man and then go back to Japan?
I'm married.
Oh, are you married to an American?
Yeah.
Is he going to go back to Japan with you? Yeah, that's nice. Well, thank you for letting me to pet. Rosie is not interested in me at all. Oh, that's really sweet. It's nice to meet you. What's your name? Lawrence. Nice to meet you. Have a great day, okay? Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Oh, not bad. I expected much worse.
Thanks, I'm glad you have faith in me. I thought it was good. I have to give myself credit for going in there. She was very friendly. I kind of ran out of things to say when she said Japan.
You wanted to touch her because you thought she was cute, right?
Yeah.
So, you should have said that. So you just kind of use the dog as a crutch. Okay, so those girls are eating. So, Lawrence, your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to get lobster with them.
Oh.
No, I'm kidding, but just go for it.
Yeah.
It's okay, bro. You're walking around. These two girls are eating. Yeah, you're great.
I know
how's the food?
They're so it feels so hard because they're eating, and I feel like I'll be disturbing them.
I don't think it's a security meeting at the White House. I think you can disturb that. You just have to be a good surprise. Just take the seat next to them. Sit. Hello. You don't have to stay forever. I mean, as a matter of fact, don't stay forever because I'm here. So.
Oh God.
Don't forget your jacket.
Alright, I'm gonna try.
Okay. Good luck.
Try. Hey, how are you?
Hi.
I was just walking by, I saw you two, I thought you looked really nice. I had to come and see what's the lobster like here. Because I heard it was grossly overrated.
I just took one bite and it's pretty good.
Is it really? Like out of 10?
I mean, it's okay. It's a lobster roll. Yeah.
Is that your sister? You guys look alike a little.
Spiritual sister.
A spiritual sister, really? That's funny. I haven't been to Miami in a long time. It's probably been 15 years, and I thought, I'm just going to come down here today. People don't talk to each other nowadays. Everybody's on their social media.
Where are you from?
I'm from Orlando. I'm from London originally, but I live in Orlando. So. Where are you from?
Connecticut.
Are you on vacation?
No, I live there.
You live in?
We're touristing the tourist area right now.
Anyway, look, I'm going to let you continue to love. I just want to come and give you a compliment. Because you really look radiant. And I was like,
You're fabulous.
I don't know.
She is, I agree.
Isn't she? Are you single? Are you single? I mean, you could be honest. You have trouble.
Should I move to another table?
No, I just... Hey, look, life is short, right? What do you have to lose in life?
It's
So,
true. No,
yeah.
I'm kind of seeing someone right now.
No, you're this is serious.
But you don't live here, so.
I don't, but I come down here, plan on it. I have a friend that's moved down here, so I plan on coming down more often. So, do you want to take my Instagram?
Yeah, sure.
And I'll send you a message. And if ever I'm down here and you happen to be single,
All right.
we'll connect. And if you're not, and you're getting married, I'll say congratulations. Maybe I'll come to your wedding and say, I remember that.
Wedding crasher.
Anyway, you guys look great. Have a great day. Okay, it's nice to meet you. At the beginning, it was quite terrifying, setting with two people eating. My brain was going, don't disturb them. They're not going to want to be bothered. But then when I went in, I gave her a genuine compliment. I just saw her eyes light up. So I feel really good about it, yeah.
Okay. You asked her like, are you single? Then you were like, you can be honest, assume the best, right?
Okay.
When you say you can be honest, you're in a way kind of like victimizing yourself, you know? As if you had internalized the fact that she was gonna like lie to you, you know?
Started out mind a little terrifying, but once I got into it,
But this day is going well for someone as socially awkward as you.
it's not bad, right? It's not bad. Hi. How are you?
Good, and you? I guess so.
Sorry, I scared you. You look kind of cool today with your gray on. I wanted to say hi. I think you look really cute.
Thank you.
I saw you. I was driving by. What are you up to today?
I'm going to shopping at Marshall's right here.
Okay. What are you buying?
I'm traveling next week and I'm buying some gifts to bring to the trip.
Oh, okay.
I'm from Brazil.
Are you from Brazil?
Yes. And you?
I'm from England originally, but I live in Orlando.
Oh, I'm
have you
going
been
to
there?
Orlando tomorrow.
Are you really? What are you
Yes.
doing there? You taking your...
Conference.
Oh, I'm a realtor too.
Oh, you are?
I swear to God.
Oh my gosh. And your name?
Lawrence.
Lawrence.
Yes.
Do you have time?
Yeah, I can walk with you for a few minutes.
My background is hospitality.
Okay. You just left Brazil and came to Miami?
I'm
Surprised
38.
you- Are you married?
I'm not. I'm
You're not?
divorced,
Oh.
and I just broke up with my boyfriend last night.
Are you serious?
I mean, this morning.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling okay.
And then you
Like,
meet this random stranger in the
that's
street. That's a
so-
bit weird,
That's
right?
so weird, but I need to talk to somebody, so it's good. Okay?
Listen, I have to go because some of my
Yes.
friends outside, probably down on Lincoln.
Yes,
But
yes.
when you come to Orlando,
Yes.
maybe we can go for coffee or something.
Do
like
you have
that.
my Instagram account?
I do. It was
Perfect.
really nice to meet you.
Me too.
And have
Enjoy
a great
your
trip.
stay in
Yeah,
Miami.
I'll send you a message.
Have
If
fun.
you have some time, we can get together. If not, totally okay.
Okay. Have a good one.
Yeah, she said she just broke up with her boyfriend today, last night.
Last night.
Yeah, I was like, can I get your number? And she goes,
That's where you had to play the divorce card. That was a cool interaction though.
yeah, she was really nice. She's a very nice person. I haven't gotten any really negative reactions yet, which is great. So
Surprising,
everything's been
especially,
really
like,
positive.
Considering your face and stuff.
Thanks, Ruben. Appreciate it. Right? Isn't that fun?
I think the lesson of today is people are very accepting in Miami.
Oh my God.
Joke aside, that was really cool. That was really
Thank you.
Yo, Lawrence.
Ruben, how are you?
The feedback I would like to share. You get the girl's contact, and then right before leaving, you say something like, "Oh, so I'll text you, and if you want to do it, it's cool. If you don't want, it's okay." It's also like a slight victimization. You're giving this person a way out, as if you were expecting them to not want to do this. I would encourage you to try to be more self-aware of it, so that you can, stop saying those things, basically.
How are you? Hey, I just saw you. I had to come and say you look really cute. I was walking by with my friend. I had to risk everything. Please don't hit me.
No.
What are you up to today?
We are going to meet some friends at one hotel.
You're not from here?
No.
Really? Where are you from?
We're from Brazil.
Oh, okay. So are you on vacation?
Yeah.
You are. You look very cool and you're Amazonian. Are you from the Amazon? What do you do in Brazil? Are you a student?
No.
A mom?
We don't do anything actually.
What do you mean you don't do? How do I sign up for that? Are you really?
Husband.
You have a husband? Oh, I want to sign up for that job. Anyway, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Have
you.
a safe trip. I just wanted
Thank
to give
you.
you a compliment. You're very beautiful.
Thank
right?
you.
Life is short. So.
I know. Thank you very much.
Don't worry about it. Your
I appreciate
husband's very lucky. And yours
you.
too.
Thank
Okay, bye-bye. Ciao. There we go. Unreal.
How was that?
That was good. I mean,
That was pretty good.
yeah, that was a really good interaction. Felt like I was more relaxed.
Yeah.
I found that people's reactions were really based on the way I reacted to them, and it's all mirrored. So yeah, it was awesome. I highly recommend anybody should do this. Hello, how are you? I saw you strutting across the street in your valet outfit, and I just want to come and tell you I thought you looked cute, and I wanted to meet you. Did you understand?
A little.
¿Yo hablo español?
Yes.
Un poquito.
I speak English.
Say slowly, okay?
Okay.
I saw you
Yeah.
walking,
Yeah.
and I thought, guapa. And I wanted to come and introduce myself. Say hi. Say hola. Mi llama es Lorenz. Es papichulo. In Miami, ¿cuántos años?
5 months.
5 months? Really?
But I love Miami.
You stay forever?
Yeah.
You need to find a husband.
Yeah.
Like a man, we can get married. You can get your green card. No?
I want a green card.
Oh,
No.
okay. So how many boyfriends you have?
I don't have a boyfriend. Nah, I don't have husband. Give me your number.
You want my number? Okay.
You have
Cuatro.
WhatsApp?
Sí.
Uh-huh.
4-0. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Muy
to
guapo.
meet you too.
I think you look.
Thank you so
fantastic.
much.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Okay.
What do you feel about that?
I feel really good. It was a really great interaction.
Why are you laughing?
It was just fun. It was. She was a fun person, and she was very open. I think maybe my energy was
Good
more
energy.
open.
Yeah, more fluid,
Yeah.
curvy.
Yeah.
You said the line, how many boyfriends do you have? In a way, it's a light victimization.
Okay.
You know, you could also have a lot of women after you, you know?
Right. Right.
So it just seems like you're like bowing to almost.
Your
It's
life.
like, oh, what can I get can I get a ticket? Can I get in line? Like, shut the fuck up, you know? Any other thoughts?
No, just keep. Don't listen to your brain, because my brain said don't do it. Don't talk to her. So, and then there you go. She ends up asking me for my number. So, don't listen to your mind.
Listen to your heart.
Yes.
Listen to your heart.
The valet girl
yeah.
texted me just a couple of minutes ago and said, "Hey." So,
Nice.
yeah, that's pretty cool.
Feeling good?
I feel good. Feel really good.
Hey, hold on. Is this the first time that you get a number like this during the day, kind of like bowler?
Probably. Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean,
When's the last time you did it? Do you not remember because it never happened, or it's old age?
No,
like, memory is starting to fail.
I need to go to the old age people's home. You know, I mean, I can't remember anything. I don't even know who I am. Hey, how you doing? I was just hanging out with my friend over there, and I saw you. I thought, oh, you look really cute, and I just wanted to come and meet you. I know, life is short, right?
Yeah.
And you're on your beach cruiser, hanging
Yes,
out.
we got it from the hotel.
What are you up to today?
I don't know yet.
Are you on vacation? Really? I'm trying to picture where you're from. You live in Toronto?
Yeah.
Toronto, Ontario, Canada.
Yeah.
So, okay. So I was, thinking maybe romantically, I come over here, we fall in love in 2 minutes, and I move to Toronto, come work at the
Way
pharmacy. Yeah, but I'm from England, we live in the cold.
So why'd you move up here?
Actually, I moved to Pennsylvania when I was 19 to buy a car, and I never left. That's the truth.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's happening? You're practicing for like...
They're doing aerobics, yoga. It's called aerial yoga or something like that. You do that? You yoga person?
I do yoga. I don't do aerial yoga.
Yeah.
Not that good.
You know that? You want to do the downward dog right now? Got dressed for it. So, I want to take you out before you leave.
Think about it.
Absolutely. Let's trade numbers. I'll text you if you want to. Say yes. If not,
Alright.
totally cool. Yeah? Okay. I'm feeling really spontaneous. So. Life is
I
short.
respect that. No, I
Life is
respect
short.
that. I appreciate the art of just talking to people. I don't do it enough.
You've got to. Thank you for letting me interrupt your day, and I really appreciate it. I'm going to text you. No obligation if you want to come out. Come on. Okay?
Great one.
All right. Bye. Take care. That was a great interaction. I came in with an open heart. I was very relaxed, and I think I got that back from them. I could tell the difference.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching?
don't be afraid. Just get out of your comfort zone and come do this. You know, come work with Ruben or whatever you need to do. Just try it, because you'll be amazed at the things you can accomplish and the people that you're going to meet by just doing it and getting out of your comfort zone. So 100% recommended.
Yeah,
Sure.
you had a good day.
It was an amazing day, and Ruben's a good dude, even though he makes old jokes. I still like him.